Hello everyone and welcome. So today I'm going to be taking you through the brand new updated member dashboard within Wave. So the dashboard has a complete refresh with a modern new design, improved navigation and some great new features to create a better experience for your members. So we'll start by looking at the previous version of the dashboard and then we'll compare it with the new design so you can clearly see what has changed and how the experience has been improved. And then after that, I'm going to show you how to customize your member portal through the settings, including changing things like your banner image, your brand colors, and then editing the welcome message so you can make the portal feel more aligned with your association. So let's get started. So first, I'll show you what the old member dashboard. This is it here. This is the old portal. So previously, members would see their profile image at the top, and then also have the tabs up here, like your resource center, and then other information as well. So while this worked well, the layout was more basic and didn't provide as much opportunity to showcase your association's branding or key member messages as well. And then let's take a look at the new member dashboard. Perfect. And then, so as you can see, the interface has had a big upgrade. The new design is cleaner, it's more modern, and I think it's much easier as well for members to navigate. So one of the biggest improvements is the new banner image on the home of the dashboard, along with the option to display a welcome message here, or like an important announcement. So this is a great space for your association to promote information to your members. So it can be anything. So, for example, you can use it as like to showcase upcoming events that are coming up or like some kind of important update. You can really customize it to what you want it to be. So it's a good way just so members can see new information, and it's what they will see when they first log in as well, which is really good. And you can also see we've also added a new section for outstanding invoices as well. So this makes it much easier for members to see if they have any payments due as soon as they arrive on the dashboard. So previously members would need to go into the invoices page to find this information. So now it's much more visible, helping them make the payment process a bit more clearer for members and assisting you in getting those outstanding invoices paid a bit faster as well. So that's really good. And then another key improvement is the overall member dashboard experience for the members as well. So it's a bit more cleaner and easier to use, making it a bit more simple for members to update their own details. So, for example, from the main screen, you can just click they can click onto their profile and go into edit. And then from there, that brings them to the settings page where they can change their profile image, banner image, their details as well. So the main goal of this is to make the dashboard feel a bit more user-friendly and more personalised and easier for members to really interact with as well. And then as usual, you just have your tabs as well that you had before, but now they're just on the left. And then a big one is also you have your events section as well. So that is all now integrated within your events within Wave. So now I'm going to show you how to customize the look and feel of your member portal from the admin side. So you just go into account and then down the bottom, just below that, you'll see settings. And if you go down just a little bit, once it's loaded, you'll see manage member portal. So from here, you can see you can change the banner image on the portal and also the background color and as well, and then that welcome title and welcome message that displays as well. So just to replace that banner, you just have to go into replace banner, and then from there it just goes into your computer files, and then you can choose what banner image you're after. And then we might just change the background color just so you can see the differences. Just get a bit of a darker purpley color. And then you would just go save, and then that will change the portal here. So now if I refresh, that should change. There we go, it changed. So this gives you more control over the first thing your members see when they log in and allows you to create a more branded and engaging experience as well. So that's really good. And before we finish, I just want to give a special shout out to New South Wales Tourism Association. So they were a big catalyst for this update and helped inspire some of the improvements we've made to the member dashboard as well. So we have some exciting features coming soon, so including our new awards module and the new member hub. So we just want to give a little sneak peek of the member hub just so you can see what it looks like. So this is the member hub here. So this will act as like a mini information hub for your members. So it will be a customizable space where you can share things like key resources, important documents, and things like that. So you can see in here we've got um, like a member welcome, we've got member benefits, and then if we go into here, you'll be able to see them as well. So you kind of think of it like a member manual or like a central information hub that can be tailored to suit your association. So get ready for this and for the awards module coming up as well. So that will be in the updates coming up. And that brings us to the end of today's update. So we hope you like the new updates. We hope it makes it easier for you and your members to experience. So thank you guys.